To everyone to Naam on e-Shiksha. This is an initiative by alumni of JNB Malkangiri 1. Today I am Padmaranjan Maharana going to tell about some topic about mental health. So going into next slide. Today I'll be discussing about minding our minds during COVID-19. So this is a new situation as we know. So and to tackle this situation we don't know anything, and this is a completely new towards the government, to health worker, everyone. This is a completely new disease and all. So right now what government is doing to prevent this is to keep social distancing and all, and also government is encouraging for lockdown. As we know, this is fourth stage of lockdown is going on, and the fifth lockdown information will be shared by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, on Sunday 11 a.m. So, what is lockdown? Lockdown is basically done to prevent the spread of infection, and but it can't be completely lockdown because we have our livelihood, we have to eat, we have to survive, right? So, we have also some necessary travel requirements, like some person is feeling ill, he has to go to doctor. Some person is have some personal work, prior engagements, and also he has to complete that. So government has decided that for this necessary activity, one member of a family can go. Unnecessarily don't travel, like don't gossip around, don't travel here and there. These things should be avoided. So this is what about lockdown and how we should use it. Going to the next slide. How we'll handle social isolation. So some people are compared very, like they want to be outside every time, they want to interact with people, they want to uh, enjoy the nature, they want to go outside, they don't want to be seated in confined places and all. So for them it is like a completely new thing. So how they will be handling this thing will be knowing from this slide. And the slides I have prepared is from Ministry of Home and Health, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So today we'll be knowing about this thing. So what we can do to handle social isolation. So first point is be busy. So you should have a proper schedule, like what to do, how to do, and you have to. If you don't have that, then you can help your parents or something and some housework. You can clean your surrounding. You can help your brothers, sisters in studying. Basically you should keep yourself busy. Don't sit idle. Basically there is a problem. Idle mind is devil's workshop. So don't sit idle. Then some people will have some negative emotions, like sitting idle they will be thinking about something. So stop doing that. Instead, if you don't do anything, at least listen to music, read something if you like. If you want to see movies, you see movies. And if you have some hobbies also, you can do that. The next point is eat well and drink plenty of fluids. As we know, you should regularly consume water. As we are not doing any physical activities, we are only sitting, but you should not forget to drink water. Drink water sufficiently, I would suggest. Be physical active. You should do some physical exercise at all. Otherwise, like uh, you know what will happen. Then sharing is caring. So this is very important point. Like some rural area, many people don't have access to this internet and all facilities. So as some people will be definitely having smartphones, so you should guide them. If you know the information, you should say what is happening, what we should do, what we should not do, what are the guidelines from the WHO and all. Yeah, so if you know, you should share to others. And also elderly people don't have access to internet and all, they don't know, they only see the news and all, or they learn from their friends by talking with them. And also you should also take care of them. You should also help them. Don't make them feel confused. And you should also tell them to eat regular medicines, and also ask them what they need. You should take care of elderly people. And if you have children, you should keep them busy, and you should also teach them something, and don't allow them to play outside. This is this is what we can do about social isolation. How we will survive this social isolation, which is a complete new thing for us. Now come to focus on facts, reject rumors and theories. So as we know, when corona started, people starting to say that if temperature will be high, corona will die. Somebody told if you can keep your breathing, if you can stop breathing, hold your breathing for 1 minute, you are not a asymptotic or symptomatic corona person. So these are some rumors and theories. It is like flowing around social medias and all. So you should believe only the reliable information. Like you can go to the WHO website, you can go to government websites, you can see there. And in WhatsApp there are many rumors spreading all around in the WhatsApp groups and all. Don't share this unverified news. If you want to share, just check it once in Google or source of information, then share. And then another thing, like don't discuss about the negative things, like these people have got affected in this area, these things. Don't promote negative things, be positive. You can say how many people got recovered. You can see in some so many states the recovery rates are increasing, recovering rate is also increasing. So you can talk about that. Don't take the negative side. It will unnecessarily create the fear and negative thinking in some of the people. Then come to now stick to the known advice. Yeah, as you know, all the guidelines, it is highlighted in every television, every social media, every advertisement. Every company is also sharing some their instruction how to take care of yourself, how to take others, what is the hygiene, how to do uh, sanitizing, how to clean your hands, everything. Everywhere the government is trying to keep build awareness. And the last thing, the common cold is not a corona. Don't be afraid, and definitely we should follow the etiquettes of sneezing. And you know how to sneeze. It is a sneeze, cough, everything. It is demonstrated, like you should sneeze to your elbows, because elbows we are not. It is not in contact with anything. If you sneeze in your hand or palm, you might do a handshake with someone, or you can touch your own face with that hand. So better to sneeze on your elbows. Coming to next slide. So as we know, this is a new situation unknown to everyone. So with every isolation, lockdown, and all, many people have will be developing some emotional problems. Somebody will having anxiety. Somebody have something different thinking. So in this, what we should do at this type of thinking? When somebody people will get irritated, some people will feel anxious. So you should try to calm your mind. Better to do yoga and all. Basically, you have to distract yourself from these things. Yes, then when you feel afraid, what you should do? These are 4 points. Like what if you are fearful, something is happening in your life. You are totally like what you are totally fearful about what to do. Then you should ask: Is this situation is under my control? If it is your control, what can you do to avoid it? If you find the solution, you should do it. So these are 4 questions. Like when I have stressed in past, how you have managed? If the situation is similar, you can do that, or if, this is a completely new thing, you can take advice from something, or you can do something to make yourself positive. You can take some new advices, you can search internet. Keep yourself busy. Some people will be having very bad problem, like they feel lonely, uh, and it is common also. Many people are feeling like that. Like generally it is advisable to talk to your family members and friends, but we know it is in this time we regularly do that. Some people do video calls to friends and families. The main thing we can do, like everybody will be having some friends, like we don't contact them frequently, so suddenly you can call them and surprise them, definitely you will add up a good vibe on your to you. Coming to the last point, like in some people, this emotion still persists after doing everything, and it continues to several days. At that time, you can call this helpline number given by the government, and there is also some other emotional support apps also in there in Play Store, like Seven Cups. There you can the Seven Cups is a app you can search in Play Store. There also you'll get the emotional support and advices from the experts. So you can call this helpline number, or you can download a app from Play Store called Seven Cups. In this situation, what is not avoidable? Sorry, what is not advisable? So you should avoid use tobacco, because tobacco, if you are using tobacco alcohol to de-stress yourself, like to exit from the stressful life, then it is not a good thing. By doing this, you are inviting disease. Your immunity power will be weakened, so it is not going to help you anyway. So it is going to show the adverse effect. Second point, do not judge someone like these people got corona affected. Like, this is not a curse. This is not like we should. If someone got corona, that doesn't mean that he's a bad person or something. Do not judge someone. If you can take care of themselves, just take care. Or if you can inform them like what to do at this time, what not to do, you can help them. If they need medical assistance, you can help them, like how to do, what are the procedures. If you yourself get corona affected, I hope nobody will get this, but you know what to do, right? Practice self isolation and also take medication what are advised, and go to the doctor, check for the test. Do not spread the rumors and all. If you suspect a little, also keep just go to doctor, register yourself, and also you should maintain the social distancing. Like some people also got corona and many got recovered also. This is a good news. Many people are recovering also. The recovery rate is also increasing. So if someone got recovered and they get back into their home, and some people will think earlier he got affected from corona, we should keep self distancing from them. So we should not talk to them. We should not go to them. Basically, that is even it is not proof that when a corona person got totally cured, that person will again get corona, or it is not. He will not get that corona. It is not even clear that he will get it again or not. So best thing you can do is to maintain social distance. Talk to them if you are talking to them, and do not judge them. Do not totally isolate from them from the society. That's what they will become stressful, and they will feel very stressful. Like nobody is talking to them. Nobody is helping them. He will feel like this is like something occurs to me, and this may lead to depression and helplessness. So these are the things we should also, as a citizen, we should take care of this thing, how to interact with our society, how to react with a COVID affected person, how to react with a recovered person. So another thing, in India we don't care about the, like, there is not much more facilities, awareness facilities about the mental health. So I would suggest these are the things, points given by government of India. Now these are the things by which you can identify there is some mental issues. Like there will be some changes in the sleep patterns. Difficult. Somebody will be feeling difficulty in sleeping and concentrating. Somebody's health will be worsening. Somebody's anxiety, or to, I don't know, uh, take alcohol or tobacco for stress, to get out of stress or something. So these things, if someone is doing, then definitely he is having some mental health problem. So you can contact this number given by the government, or as I suggested, there are applications in Android Play Store. You can use them, but that is like you can get consultation from the experts. But this one is like you can contact the government. It will be free of cost. So now these slides I have made and everything. It is taken from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. So that's all from my end. I hope it is an informative session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And I encourage all alumni to share this, and also all alumni should also contribute their things. They are part of the society. Like come to learn, go to serve, right? So this is what from our JNP Malkangiri, and I am signing out. Take care.